Hello, everybody. I've got another PixieBrix and Trello thing for you today. So this one shows you how to filter your board by due dates with like one click. Previously, what I would do is I would click filter and then I'd go over to click overdue, due in the next day. Not too terrible, just a couple clicks, and then close out of the filter. And now I can see my board and what cards are due today. But I wanted to do it with one click, so I did. Created a PixieBrix shortcut called Show Upcoming Due. Literally just hit enter. It does all of that. Like open the keyboard shortcuts. First one up there, I hit enter. It's done. So the way this works, it's super easy. Go over to do. So I have a quick bar input, Show Upcoming Due. I only have this working on Trello.com/B, which means it's only going to run on boards, which is fine. I would never run this from a card. I'd only run it from a board view. So I want that. And then next, I add a simulate DOM event. And this is where I'm selecting to click on, I'm basically just going through the motions that I would go through. I'm just telling PixieBrix to do them. So the first one is click on this filter button. And then you can see that, and then click, and I will paste this in, or I will copy and paste this in the description. So if you're building this on your own, you can just copy this, but you should be pretty good with just running the extension and doing this on your own if you want. But yeah, next you'll add another simulated DOM event, and this class is a little more interesting, but this is the one that basically says, hey, go pick this where it's overdue. And then another simulate DOM event to click the next thing, which is due in the next day. So I like to see, and you could change this if you want, but I like to see what have I not completed yet and what is coming up next. And that's the best way for me to do that. So I add that, and then one last simulated DOM event to close the filter menu there. So I'm simulating PixieBrix clicking this, checking that, and then closing the filter. And just in case you want to see it one more time, happens real fast, but that's basically what it does. So, and if I want to clear it, I just hit X. So super easy peasy. I'm going to share this, and you can just click through the wizard and activate it, and it'll be ready to go. But it'll also bring it up in your page editor. So once you've added PixieBrix and you go to right click and inspect from any Chrome page, you'll see a menu that looks kind of like this, and you will see this TR filter due dates, and you can come in and customize anything you want. If you want this to, let's say you want the action to actually say something else, you can just rename it there. But yeah, otherwise you should be pretty set to go. Hope you find this helpful.